Today we're diving into Celoxis, a powerful project management tool that has been gaining a lot of attention in the industry. If you're looking to improve your team's workflow, streamline task management, and better track projects, Celoxis might be exactly what you need. The first thing you'll notice when you log into Celoxis is its clean and intuitive interface. From the dashboard, you can quickly access all your ongoing projects, tasks, and reports. It's easy to get started, even if you're not familiar with project management software. Celoxis offers a wide range of features designed to make project planning, tracking, and collaboration more efficient. You can create projects, assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress all from a single platform. The Gantt chart feature is particularly useful for visualizing your project timelines and adjusting schedules as needed. If you need to break down tasks into smaller subtasks, Celoxis allows you to do that with ease. It also has built-in time tracking, so you can keep tabs on how much time each task is taking and make sure your projects stay on budget. One standout feature is its ability to integrate with various third-party tools like Microsoft Teams, Slack, and Google Workspace. This makes collaboration even smoother and ensures that your team doesn't have to juggle multiple platforms. Celoxis also offers detailed reporting features. You can generate reports on project status, task completion, time tracking, and more, which is incredibly helpful for both team leaders and clients. In terms of customization, Celoxis allows you to tailor the software to your team's specific needs. You can adjust permissions, create custom workflows, and set up automated notifications to stay on top of things. Celoxis also supports both on-premise and cloud hosting, so you can choose the option that best fits your business needs. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. There are links that might help you get started with project management, tutorials, and comparisons with other tools. Overall, Celoxis is a comprehensive project management tool that offers a lot of flexibility and power. Whether you're managing small teams or large projects, it provides all the tools you need to stay organized, improve communication, and meet your deadlines. If you've been searching for a solution that offers both depth and usability, I definitely recommend giving Celoxis a try. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this.